I washed my mom's natural hair for the first time ever, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you her full wash day routine. Hey NC fam, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so right now you can see me unraveling my mom's hair. We pre-pooed her hair overnight using coconut oil. So the first things first, I'm going to saturate her hair with water just to remove some of that residue from her hair, and then I will proceed to shampoo her hair. Now guys, my mom has been natural for 2 years now. Can you believe it? She had relaxed hair for over 40 years. Can you believe that? Over 40 years relaxed. And for the past 2 years, she has been natural. I'm so proud of her. Just in case you're wondering, I'm sectioning my mom's hair into 4 workable sections, and I'm going to shampoo her hair in these 4 sections. So, guys, it was never my mom's plan to go natural. In fact, I had been trying to convince her for years to return back to natural, but she just wasn't interested. Now, what happened was in 2020, when the pandemic hit, all on lockdown, so we couldn't go anywhere. So of course all of the hair salons were also closed, so my mum wasn't able to go to the salon to get her relaxer, to do her hair or anything. And my mum has never been the kind of person to do her own hair or relax her own hair. She just wasn't that person. So of course during this period, because she weren't able to go anywhere or do her hair, she was getting a lot of new growth. And like I said before, I had been trying to convince her to go natural. So during this time, because she wasn't able to go for such a long period of time, she decided that it was probably best that she just go natural. So that's how she ended up going natural again. She transitioned for a year, and when she had enough new growth and when the salons were back open, she booked an appointment, went, and they cut off all of the relaxed ends. At this point, I am going to apply her deep conditioner to her hair, and then I'm going to detangle with the deep conditioner in her hair. I'm going to detangle her hair in 8 sections. I always detangle in sections just to minimize breakage as much as possible. Now, NC fam, just in case you're wondering what my mom's hair looked like before she went natural, this is what her hair looked like. At this point, her hair was breaking, it was thinning, she was losing her edges, mainly because of bad hair care practices. She started getting into so-called protective styling. Prior to that, she was never into protective styling. She would just leave her hair loose. So she started doing like weave, single plaits with extensions, cornrows with extensions, and that made her hair break and go thin even more. I know age has a part to play in making the hair thinner, but with her case, her hair was thinning even more because of her bad hair care practices. Guys, I was so shook detangling my mom's hair. Her hair was so easy to detangle, so easy. Literally, I finished detangling her hair in less than 20 minutes. It was so easy. Also, guys, in terms of length, my mom's hair has never retained more length than just below her shoulders. In the picture that I showed you before she decided to go natural, her hair was slightly shorter than shoulder length. That's the shortest her hair has ever been. But in terms of how much length her hair has ever retained, it's just a little bit past her shoulders. So for those who like to scream genetics for the reason why my hair or my children's hair is long, it has nothing to do with genetics. She just wasn't able to retain length for all of those years that she was relaxed. But thankfully, now that she's natural and knows better, her hair will reach its full potential. We finished detangling her hair, and now we're going to deep condition her hair for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll rinse, and then she will moisturize her hair.